Hello, hello. This is all parts of the orchids. Look at that. So many parts of orchids. Wow. Look at them. Different types of orchids. Yeah. And look at this. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. Even this. They put it in the bamboo. It's so beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. My goodness. This is beautiful. And look at that. It's made up all orchids. Wow, ganda-ganda. Wow. This is amazing. Look at that. They're all orchids. Orchids cactus. Wow. Look at them. So beautiful. Look at that. Oh, the cactus. So beautiful. Hmm. Wow. These are amazing. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. This beautiful. Look at that. Big cactus. Wow. Oh, look at this. Oh, the color. Even this. Oh my goodness. So pretty, pretty. Oh wow. This is my first time to see all this. Wow. And this one. Oh my goodness. And here. Look at this. So big. Oh my goodness. This is what we call a garden of all cactus. Wow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Everything is cactus. Oh, so beautiful. Wow. Amazing. What can I say? They're all beautiful. Different colors. My goodness. And even this. Wow. Guys, have you seen a different kinds of cactus? Wow. Only in Sapa. Oh, I do not know that. These are all amazing. Wow. Look at that. Oh, this is another one. Look at that. Oh. Can you imagine? You put this in your house. So beautiful. Nice. Wow. Very beautiful. Look at that. Wow. So, and then this one also. Oh, this one got in Malaysia. And this one. My goodness. See this? Wow. It looks like a bonsai tree. Look at this. It looks like a bonsai tree. I suspect it's like a bonsai tree. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. looks like a rosal. You know, in Philippines they have the rosal. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is good. Wow. Wow, this is different. Wow. Guys, all these are orchids. Oh, orchids. Cactus. And this one, look. Mm. I've been in the flower exhibition. I can see you dance. Look at that. Okay, guys. Thank you for listening. Wow. Nice. It's me, Gina Cara. Like and share. Subscribe. Bye. See you in my next vlog. Bye.